Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get slabs in Township. Slabs in Township are essential construction materials used for building community structures and zoo enclosures. You can earn them in several ways: through the House of Luck, completing zoo orders, collecting daily rewards and chests, hitting event milestones, opening sea chests, or even purchasing them from the city market. They're also available as regatta rewards and from the Academy of Industry. However, the most common method is through the train station. Simply load up your trains with goods, set them off, and you'll have a chance to receive slabs once they return. And if you're in a rush, the game allows you to purchase slabs directly with cash whenever they're needed for construction. Keep in mind, though, that slabs can be tricky to collect in large numbers, so managing your resources and regularly sending trains is the smartest way to stay stocked up and keep your town growing smoothly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.